Thanks for pulling that up, Josh. So John was involved with the CIA's trauma-based mind control program. He was really interested in the human mind and the mind in general. He'd worked with dolphins and stuff like that. And then he wrote a book about human bioprogramming. I actually have a couple of those books here. I wanted to show your audience. So this is one of them right here. This is Programming the Human Biocomputer. Let me find the camera. There we go. This is by John Lilly. And so he was into programming the human biocomputer. So sometimes you'll hear me call CIA mind control programmers, Central Intelligence Agency human bioprogrammers, because that's what they're doing through trauma. And so they're very bad people. And John Lilly was really into this stuff. One really weird story I have to tell you really quick, because when I was younger and I was in high school, I was very handled. And there were people that were put into my life for various reasons. My life was very controlled growing up. And one of those was a teacher at my high school. And I had this teacher for, I believe, 3 years in a row, and because I kept failing the class. Well, that particular teacher, I was sleeping with her. She was involved in my programming, and one day I came into class, and in my desk was a book, and it was this book right here. Not this particular copy, because I had to buy this later. She gave me this book by John Lilly, and when I took it home, put it in my room, and then my father came in one day and he found it. He was just talking to me for a minute and he said, "What is this? Who gave you this?" And he was pissed. He wanted to know who'd given me a book by John Lilly and why it was in my room. And he said, "You're not supposed to have this." And he took it and he basically just stole my book that my teacher had given to me. But she was trying to tell me something. And that book was a gift to me. And I believe that she was trying to help me. But in the end, it didn't help me for several years, because when I remembered that, it was all pretty shocking. But that wasn't until I was 38, 39 years old. And so, yeah, just as a side note, that was very interesting. But Bird, he gave my father, going back to Anaheim, California, our day after the